Welcome to the fourth module, Data Governance and Security in Generative AI. We will cover data privacy and compliance, secure AI deployment, data ethics, and responsible AI. This module will equip you with the essentials for managing and securing generative AI systems effectively. Highlight the crucial aspects of data privacy and compliance. Protecting sensitive information. It's essential to secure personally identifiable information, PII, and other sensitive data from unauthorized access. This protection is fundamental to maintaining privacy and preventing data breaches. Building trust. Transparent and responsible data handling practices are vital for building and maintaining trust with customers and stakeholders. When people see that their data is handled securely, they're more likely to have confidence in your business. In summary, prioritizing data privacy not only safeguards information, but also strengthens relationships and ensures long-term success. Welcome to our section on compliance with regulations in generative AI. Let's dive in and see how these regulations impact AI systems. First up, GDPR. Imagine you're building an AI application that handles personal data. How would you ensure that this data is collected and processed according to GDPR? Think about how you might protect user privacy and secure their data. Next, let's talk about CCPA. Picture a scenario where a California consumer requests access to their personal data or wants it deleted. What steps would you take to comply with the CCPA? Consider the tools and processes needed to handle such requests effectively. Lastly, industry-specific regulations. Depending on your industry, you might have additional rules to follow. For example, if you're in healthcare or finance, how would you ensure compliance with regulations like HIPAA or PCI-DSS? Reflect on the specific requirements and how they influence your AI practices. Think about your own projects or business. How can you apply these regulations to ensure your AI systems are compliant? Take a moment to jot down your ideas or discuss them with a partner. Remember, adhering to these regulations helps protect user privacy and keeps your AI applications secure and trustworthy. Another important topic is secure AI deployment. We will cover essential best practices to keep your AI systems safe and secure. First, let's discuss data encryption. Think about the data your AI system handles. How can you ensure that this data is encrypted both while being transmitted and when stored? Let me explain. Encryption works like a secure vault. Only those with the right key can access the data inside. Implementing encryption helps protect sensitive information from unauthorized access. Next, let's focus on access control. Consider your team and the data they need to access. How would you set up strict access control policies to ensure only authorized personnel can access sensitive data and AI models? Access control is vital for data protection. It's like having a keycard system for different rooms. Only those with the right authorization can enter. Finally, let's talk about regular security audits. Imagine you're conducting a security audit. What vulnerabilities might you look for in your AI systems, and how would you address them? Regular security audits are crucial for identifying and fixing potential security gaps. Think of it as a routine checkup to ensure your system's defenses are up to date and robust. Take a moment to consider how you can apply these best practices to your own projects. How can you enhance the security of your AI deployments? Write down your thoughts or discuss them with a colleague. Remember, secure AI deployment isn't just about protecting data, it's about maintaining trust and integrity in your AI systems. Welcome to our session on risk mitigation strategies in AI systems. We will cover essential practices to protect your data and systems. First, let's discuss data anonymization. Think about the data your AI system processes. How can you anonymize this data to protect individual identities while still enabling valuable analysis? Data anonymization involves removing or masking personal identifiers, like blurring out faces in a photo. This way, the data remains useful without revealing any personal information. Next, robust authentication mechanisms. Consider your organization's access protocols. How can you implement multi-factor authentication and strong password policies to prevent unauthorized access to your AI systems? Multi-factor authentication is like using both a password and a fingerprint to unlock your device. It adds an extra layer of security, ensuring that only authorized users can access your systems. Finally, let's talk about having an incident response plan. Imagine a security breach occurs. What steps would you take to respond quickly and effectively? An incident response plan is like having a fire drill for your AI systems. It prepares you to act swiftly and efficiently, minimizing damage and resolving the issue as soon as possible. Consider how you can apply these strategies in your own projects. How can you use data anonymization, robust authentication, and an incident response plan to enhance the security of your AI systems? Take a moment to write down your thoughts. Remember, these risk mitigation strategies are crucial for protecting your AI systems and the data they handle, ensuring both security and trust. Welcome to our segment on ethical considerations in AI. Let's explore key areas to ensure responsible AI practices. First, bias and fairness. It's crucial to ensure that AI models are free from biases that could lead to unfair treatment of individuals or groups. This involves careful selection of data and thoughtful training practices. Remember, biased data leads to biased outcomes, so always strive for fairness in your AI systems. Next, transparency and explainability. Strive for transparency in AI decision-making processes. This means providing clear explanations for AI-driven decisions, especially in sensitive areas like healthcare and finance. Transparency helps build trust and allows users to understand how and why decisions are made. Finally, accountability. Establish clear lines of accountability for AI systems. Ensure there is a responsible party for any actions or decisions made by the AI. Accountability means that if something goes wrong, there is a clear path to address and rectify the issue. Ethical considerations are vital in AI to ensure fairness, transparency, and accountability. Reflect on how these principles can be applied in your projects to promote responsible AI use. Remember, building ethical AI systems is not just about technology, it's about making decisions that respect human rights and dignity. This is the final session of the Data Governance and Security in Generative AI module, focusing on the subtopic Frameworks for Responsible AI Usage. Let's explore essential strategies to ensure ethical and responsible AI practices. First, ethical guidelines. Develop and adhere to ethical guidelines that guide the use of AI in your organization. These guidelines should reflect your company values and societal norms, ensuring all AI projects are conducted with integrity and respect for human rights. Next, human-in-the-loop, HIPAA systems. Implement HIPAA systems where human oversight is crucial. This involves having human experts review and validate AI decisions, adding a critical layer of accountability. This approach is especially important in areas where AI decisions can significantly impact individuals, such as healthcare or finance. Finally, continuous monitoring and improvement. Regularly review and update your AI models and practices. This ensures they remain ethical, fair, and effective over time. Continuous monitoring helps identify potential biases or inaccuracies, allowing for timely adjustments and improvements. These frameworks help build trust and ensure responsible AI usage. Reflect on how you can incorporate ethical guidelines, human oversight, and continuous monitoring in your AI projects to promote fairness and accountability. Remember, responsible AI usage is an ongoing commitment, requiring regular updates and vigilance to maintain ethical standards.